MIKE-01 error in XDefiant can be frustrating, but there are some advanced fixes you can try beyond the basic restarts and updates. Network troubleshooting. Flush DNS and renew IP. This can clear out any temporary glitches with your internet connection. The method to do this varies depending on your operating system, but a quick search online will provide instructions. Port forwarding. For a more stable connection, consider port forwarding on your router. You'll need to consult your router's manual and XDefiant support documentation, if available, to find the specific ports required by the game. DMZ. Placing your device in the demilitarized zone, DMZ, of your router can provide the most open connection, but be cautious as it exposes your device more to security risks. Only try this if other options fail. Software and file integrity. Antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall to see if it's conflicting with XDefiant's connection. Remember to re-enable them after testing. Verify game files. Most launchers allow you to verify the integrity of the game files. This checks for corrupted data and re-downloads any missing files. Clean reinstall. If verifying the files doesn't work, consider a clean reinstall of XDefiant. This ensures a fresh installation and eliminates corrupted files as the culprit. Advanced troubleshooting. DNS servers. Try switching to a different DNS server like Google DNS or OpenDNS. This can sometimes resolve routing issues with your ISP. VPN. If all else fails, using a VPN can potentially bypass connection issues caused by your ISP. However, using a VPN can introduce latency and hinder your performance, so use it as a last resort. Remember to check XDefiant's official forums and social media for any server outages or known issues that might be causing the MIKE-01 error. If none of these advanced fixes work, it's recommended to contact XDefiant's support for further assistance.